Hey guys, so I'm back with the mechanism video of my Kitkat and York machine. So I'm just going to explain how everything works, and I hope you enjoy. So this first piece I'm going to show you is the coin sorter. So here, the dimes fall into the first hole, the pennies and nickels fall into the second, and the quarters go to the end. This moving piece here changes whether the dime goes to the Kitkat mechanism or the York mechanism. So this here is where the pennies and nickels go after they've been sorted. This is where the quarter goes after it goes through the coin sorter. This is the same piece I showed you earlier. It changes whether the dime goes to the Kitkat mechanism or the York mechanism. This is the York dispensing piece. It can be pushed on both sides by quarters or dimes. So here, if I have 2 dimes, then it's not high enough to push it and it just passes under. But if we add a third one, then it's high enough. Same on the other side with quarters. And I've added a rubber band here because sometimes that's not quite high enough, so the rubber band ensures that it'll work. So here, if I have 1/4, it's not high enough to push it. But if I add a set, it will. Once the dispensing piece is pushed forward, the candy falls down and gets dispensed. This is the Kitkat dispensing piece. It works in the exact same way. This is the York mechanism, and the bar can't quite reach the dispensing piece, so there needs to be 3 dimes. If there's only 2 dimes, then it passes under and it doesn't push it. But if we have 3, then it can push the dispensing piece forward and the York will fall down and be dispensed. This is the Kitkat mechanism. It works in the same way. So this is where the Kitkat and the York mechanism both get pushed by the quarters. So one isn't high enough. But if we have 2, then they both get pushed. In the back, there's a reloading bar, which pulls the dispensing parts back once they've been pushed forward. I hope you all enjoyed that video, and if you haven't seen the main video yet, I'll leave a link in the description. And I probably should have said that at the beginning of the video, but I didn't, so yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.